Welcome back. Goan citizens are worried about rising crime in the state. Most of the people stated that government and Goa police must take appropriate action to curb the crime. People are feeling need of foolproof system to register migrant workers, hawkers and visitors.
हल्ली गोंयाक चोरेचे प्रमाण बऱ्याच प्रमाणात वाढला आणि ते कारणां खूप असू शकतात पण म्हाका दिसता त्या कोतान खूपशे लोक अनएम्प्लॉयड आहात तांकां जॉब नात
आमगेर पासून 2 बारीक चोऱ्यो जाल्याय बाबा खातीर आतां भिवून आमरेचेरूच देर घाताय कित्याक घरां कोणूय भितर घुसत म्हणून आनी कंप्लेन केले पुलिसां सांगले पुलीस कांय एक्शन घेयनाय.
Wherein the outside peoples are coming to Goa, they should check their ID cards or whatever is there, they can check it out. Because more of the robberies are taking place after this outside people are coming. Goans are not that much into this, but outside people are into this.
All the police stations are not backed up with any registers to comprise of as who has entered and in which parts of the state of Goa they are staying.
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सध्या झिरो जाल्या कायदो म्हणटा तो कांयच ना आनी हो सीएम आतां इतलो हुशार म्हणटा पूण सध्या हो सीएम जाला झिरो. हांव कितें म्हणटा चोरांक धरून तांचे हातपाय पूण कापून उडोवपा जाय नाल्यार तांकां एक पब्लिकान तांकां धरून तांकां जिल्ल्यान मारपाचें आनी पुलिशेन तांच्यो बॉडी व्हरपाच्यो.
एवरी कॉर्नर एवरीथिंग इट इज crime is at least at every 2 days crimes as reported on the newspaper.
वाटेर कोणी गळ्यान हे पळय मोटरसायकली घेवन येता तुका पावयता म्हणटात अमके कडेन पावयता म्हणटा आणि ते गळ्यांचे हात घालून ते मारून वयतात.
Though Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is claiming that crime graph has come down in comparison to previous years, but the people of Goa neither feeling secured at their homes nor on the streets. With Bureau Reports, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
E-auctioning of extracted iron ore will be completed in January. This revenue would be utilized in the upcoming budget of the state. CM Parrikar's budget for 2012-13 was minus 1,000 crores following an interim ban on mining in the state.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed that process of e-auctioning will begin in the month of January. Government will receive decent revenue from e-auctioning by February. Government will present its budget by including this revenue.
रिअसेसमेंट जितले करतले पळय ते ई टेंडरिंगचो प्रोसेस जालो समजा 100 आसा 100तले 15 जाले जाल्यार 15 विकतले आमी. ओके सगळे 100 एका धपक्याक खंय विकतलो तर केन्ना अशें मेरेन जातले प्रोसेस जानेवारीन डेफिनेटली ई ऑक्शनिंग जातले. ह्या टायमार बजेटान मायनिंगाचे पयशे बीन कितें ई ऑक्शनिंतल्यान मेळटले ते बीन कितें कन्सिडर करपाक येतले काय? नाही नाही ह्या टायमाक न्हय ह्या वर्साच ऑलरेडी म्हणजे मार्च जावच्या पयलींच पयशे येतले थोडे तरी सगळे येतले अशें न्हय ते फुडल्या वर्साच्या बजेटानूय इन्क्लूड करूं येता. पैसे मेळटले ई टेंडरिंग जाले की रोखडेच पैसे येवपाक सुरू जातले.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that handling of the extracted iron ore will be possible after 30 days of e-auctioning. He also informed that NEERI committee will be visiting the state in January.
Handling of ore will be conducted that time January or it will take some time?
It may take technically we give them 30 days to vacate with some additional 30 days if required. कितें बोट बीट आयली ना कितें नेरी हो सुप्रीम कोर्टाक प्रिलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट फेब्रुवारीन दिवपा खातीर तांकां आमी जानेवारी आपयल्या त्यामुळे फर्स्ट विका नंतर 3-4 तारखेनंतर आपयल्या.
Reporter Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Congress's Foundation Day was celebrated by a few Congress leaders and senior Congress workers. However, there was no Congress MLA present for the event. GPCC President John Fernandez has warned all MLAs of a confidential report which will be considered during allotment of party tickets.
Congress Foundation Day was celebrated by a few Congress leaders and senior Congress workers. However, there was no Congress MLA present for the event. GPCC President John Fernandez has warned all MLAs of a confidential report which will be considered during allotment of party tickets.
No, I think being MLA they must be busy elsewhere, but it is also important that they come and attend such program because this is a very important program. We will maintain a confidential report record of everybody including MLA, and whenever they abstain without any reason, that remark will be added in that column of that particular MLA. And this record will be placed before the election committee at the time of deciding and granting of party tickets for assembly or parliament election.
While talking about the party's defeat, John said it was due to lack of leadership and guidance to the party members.
The party were dormant because there was no proper guidance and encouragement given to them by the leadership.
Senior Congress workers were felicitated on the 128th anniversary of the Congress Party. A portrait of former president of GPCC, Sulochana Katkar, was also placed in the Congress House. A video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.